Díhuit. In this video we're going to take a little look at some Irish grammar. We're going to examine the broad and slender vowels and how a verb can change because of that. But firstly, let's look at some terms. Quail is slender. The slender vowels are I and E. Leathan means broad. The broad vowels are A, O and U. A séimhiú is a H. So a H is added sometimes to the past tense of a verb. And an uru is a letter that goes before a word and it acts as an eclipse. So for example, cóta is coat, but our góta is our coat. So the G is an uru, it eclipses the C. One of the golden rules of Irish is quail le quail agus leathan le leathan. Broad with broad and slender with slender. Now there are some exceptions of course, but broadly speaking the broad should match the broad and the slender should match the slender. I'll give you an example now. The Irish to put is chuir. So if we look at the past tense of that, chuir mé, chuir tú, chuir sé, chuir sí, chuir mar, chuir siv, chuir siad. So you can see the past tense takes a séimhiú, as we discussed a few moments ago. Chuir mé, I put. And then we put is chuirmar. Now we have two choices in terms of finishing that word. It can be E-A-M-A-R or A-M-A-R. And because of the rule slender with slender, we must choose E-A-M-A-R because the E matches the I and therefore it's slender with slender. With chuir, C-U-I-R, so the last vowel there is I. So because the last one is I in a one syllable word, that means it's slender. So I matches the E for E-A-M-A-R. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I hope to do more grammar videos on the Irish language in future. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want more videos just like this. And I will see you soon. Thanks very much. Agus slán go fóill.